Hi, my name is Jeff Halash. I'm the owner of TechNut Computer Repair in Canton, Michigan, and host of the Computer Repair Podcast. And I'm joined by my friend
Paco Lebron from Prodigyteks in Chicago, Illinois, and host of TechLife.
Paco. What is TechCon Unplugged?
Well, TechCon Unplugged is a community of IT business owners that want to help each other in learning and how to run your day-to-day IT business. Jeff, who is this for specifically?
This event is for IT business owners of all shapes and sizes, whether you do consulting, break fix, or managed services. Paco, who's putting this event together?
Well, not only is it just myself and you that are kind of pioneering this event, but we have a great community that is providing feedback, along with a couple members that our community knows. John Dubinsky, owner of the Maven Group and co-host of the Computer Repair Podcast. Marvin B., owner of MB Systems and host of Podnutz Pro. And last but not least, Mike Smith, owner of MHS Consulting and host of the Mike Tech Show. Jeff, for those that want to know, where is TechCon Unplugged?
I'm glad you asked. It is in Holiday Inn, Grand Rapids, in the great state of Michigan. And what can people expect out of this event?
I mean, they're going to learn and share from other like-minded IT business owners. They're going to have practical demonstrations of hardware, software to help you know the things that you want to use in your business and how they work. And there's going to just be an open environment where you can ask questions, get answers to take home and use in your business, actionable items right off the event.
This is a one-of-a-kind event where you will be able to talk to IT business owners and vendors that are invested in your success.
Get your tickets today by going to techconunplugged.com.